Have you ever wished you could turn back time? Maybe to relive a perfect day, fix a mistake, or simply experience a moment all over again? Or maybe peek into the future, to see what's coming next, or to satisfy your curiosity about the unknown? Well, according to physics, the past and the future are exactly the same. Welcome back to Future News. The idea of time travel has fascinated people for centuries. From ancient myths to modern science fiction, we've always wondered if it's possible to move through time as easily as we move through space. But what if I told you that according to the laws of physics, there might not be a real difference between the past and the future? It sounds strange, but it's true. Most of us think of time as a river flowing steadily in one direction, always moving forward and never backward. We remember the past, but not the future. Our memories are like snapshots, always looking backward, never ahead. We see things age and decay, and we watch as moments slip away, never to return. This gives us a strong sense that time has a direction, a clear arrow pointing from the past to the future. But here's the surprising bit. The fundamental laws of physics, the rules that govern everything in the universe, work the same whether time is moving forward or backward. They don't care which way time flows. They are what physicists call time symmetrical. This means the equations describing the universe don't actually prefer one direction of time over the other. So, at a fundamental level, time might not be the one-way street we perceive it to be. The universe could be far stranger than our everyday experience suggests. If the laws of physics don't care about the direction of time, and the fundamental equations work just as well forwards as they do backwards, why do we, as humans, experience the flow of time so strongly, always feeling it move from past to future? Let's look at some everyday examples that reveal how this sense of time's passage shapes our lives. Imagine a ball rolling across a table, gradually slowing down as it moves. You can easily picture the ball rolling forward and eventually coming to a stop. But it's almost impossible to imagine it suddenly reversing direction on its own, rolling back up onto your hand without any outside force. Now picture a vase falling from a table and smashing into countless pieces on the floor. We see this kind of thing happen all the time in our daily lives, and we never question it. But we never see a shattered vase spontaneously reassemble itself, with all the pieces jumping back together as if nothing happened. These simple examples illustrate what scientists call the arrow of time, the idea that time has a preferred direction. In our everyday experience, time always seems to move in one direction, from the past to the future. Because of phenomena like these, reminding us that the flow of time is deeply woven into the fabric of our reality. To understand time symmetry in physics, we need to look at the equations that describe how things work. These equations are like the language of physics. Take Newton's law of gravity, for example. It tells us how objects with mass attract each other. This law works the same whether we're talking about the past, present, or future. Similarly, the equations describing a ball's motion or a vase shattering don't distinguish between time moving forward or backward. These equations are time symmetrical. They work either way. This is what physicists mean when they say the laws of physics don't differentiate between past and future. At their core, these laws are timeless. If the fundamental laws of physics are time symmetrical, why do we experience time moving in one direction? One possible explanation, you see, lies in the way the universe began. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe started from an incredibly hot, dense state and has been expanding and cooling ever since. This expansion and cooling is a one-way process. It's a bit like letting air out of a balloon. You can't really reverse it. This cosmic expansion might be what gives us the feeling of time's arrow. It provides a background directionality to the universe, even if the laws of physics themselves are time symmetrical. The idea that the laws of physics don't differentiate between past and future is one of the most mind-bending concepts in science. It challenges our everyday experience, where time seems to flow in only one direction, from what has happened to what will happen. This opens up fascinating possibilities like time travel, which has long captured the imagination of scientists and storytellers alike. If the laws of physics truly work the same in both directions, then in theory, the future and the past could be equally accessible. Could we potentially move through time as easily as we move through space, stepping forward and backward at will? Some theories even propose the existence of parallel universes, where the rules of time might be completely different from our own. In these alternate realities, time could flow in the opposite direction, creating worlds that are almost unimaginable to us. Imagine, just for a moment, a universe where people grow younger instead of older, experiencing life in reverse, with memories fading into the future. Or a world where shattered vases spontaneously reassemble, and every broken thing returns to its original state, defying our sense of cause and effect. While these ideas are still firmly in the realm of science fiction, they inspire us to question what we think we know about reality. They highlight just how much we still don't know about the true nature of time, and how many mysteries remain unsolved. Time remains one of the biggest mysteries in physics and cosmology, a puzzle that continues to intrigue and challenge the brightest minds. Even if time travel and reversing time are only theoretical for now, exploring these possibilities pushes the boundaries of our understanding. Pondering these concepts helps us better understand the nature of time and encourages us to keep searching for answers. It also reminds us of our place in the universe and how much there is still left to discover. And well, who knows? Maybe one day the line between science fiction and reality will blur even further, and the mysteries of time will finally be revealed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned.